You about Osazee no be your you not get any content where they create apart from to bring Benin people down. For PDP, Ija Agbonaima, Ogbede Yama, all everybody with the PDP, you bring their picture come and they insult, they bring all of them come down. You create problem between Tony Kabaka and Governor Baseki. You tell Governor Baseki, make it drive a Boston. Don't believe that one. Sandra Igbo build that, say the house we build. You know goods. Akobega, you tell Akobega na buy senior, but you don't do ritual. Nothing will never come out from your mouths. You don't use mouths to demarcate all the Benin people. The other day, you insult the Oba of Benin. See, you be PDP, the Oba of Benin APC. Now, if you do this thing, say you do one to help you be human rights activists, people will know, but you are doing all these things for your own selfish interests because you know they see money, they chop again, millions. You know they see lie, they talk again. Life don't tire you enemy. Backbone, why you know? I backbone well. So the house we build, now you go send boys when they go scatter allegedly. Now you call you want seek asylum. You know they work for UK. Winner, you know get partner visa and now stamp the stamp. People even get passport, not they behave the way they behave. Now you want to use Tony Kabaka to seek asylum. But my point be say you can never run away from your shadow. We remember where an Omigo come Nigeria, you drive and come out. You don't let her come with seeing grandmama for grandmother. Ported, your asylum will be rejected and you deport you. Those people they give you mind for back of camera about carry on, about nothing they happen, what it back way. Tell them they bring their face come out too. Very soon. They will tell your wife and your children wanna go back to Nigeria. We are here, we are here,
see my country people. Where do
Ijue kekere ai makoko we
say monkey.
Ijue majorly the back kekere
saying about why
we are due, come back home. We are happy for you to
really make me laugh. Monkey face. Advising about. The both of them have gone mad to the extent like this social media did not really help our people. This social media thing destroys so many people. Destroyed them like, they don't have mind of their own. They don't think straight anymore. Just because of social media's money for likes and comments. This one is telling about, don't come home because you have been fighting your fellow Edos, every progressive Edo person. Really, Abat have insulted so many people for no reason. Use his platform, call them out, dragging them, rubbishing for no reason. He hates progress. Whenever he sees any Edo man progressing, he wants to put that Edo man down. But my surprise is, the both of them committed the same crime. Abat is fighting all Edos, all progressive Edos. He wants anarchy in that state. A man that he have been close to Edo State governors. He have been there now for 16 years. They have been using Edo State money, taking care of his family, Osazee family. Give us a break. Leave Edo people alone. Go and walk. I just came back from work. You go and walk. And the Monkey is also advising him. Monkey, you have problem with our ancestors. You attack your own tribe. The same thing. Just similar. You and Abat. Abat attacking the people. The same thing. You were attacking your tribe. You want other tribe in Nigeria to gang, tell fake stories, to blackmail your tribe, to destroy your people. You bring our history, you mix it up with lies for people to look down on us, or people to look down on your people. Obaseki brought you back. You came to Benin, you returned home, you were hiding because Obaseki want to use you to win election. But it backfired on him. It backfire. That is the reason why you hate Abat. You have the guts to tell Abat, don't come home. Can you come home? Can you go home? Let me play you that video.
Look your head, don't become white. You never see the upgrade your talk.
Wait to see my hair.
You don't usually rub your head. They come white.
See
You
my
even
hair.
look yourself in the mirror sometimes, ask yourself, say, am I living in the future?
Do you see my
I'm
children?
asking you. Your name is Enya. Listen, Enya. Listen.
Do you see my
I'm
children?
asking you.
Do you see my children? You don't see my children?
But you know, of course, I know you are not going to reap the fruit of your children. It is well clear.
How old am I? I'm 40-something years now. We are from Kennedy, from the former Sama of Benin. He has before Benedion, our family house. Tony Kabaka know me. Tony Kabaka was not living in Ogbe. I was born in Ekmenede in Ogbe. That is where they born me. Now Ogbe they born me. Now in our grandfather's house. So Tony Kabaka and his family, the father was a military man. They were living in Kaduna, Lagos, and all those.
The way you go get better topic where you go fit talk outside.
If you don't allow me to talk, somebody ask me question. Let me answer.
You be like one simple talk.
I will use you now. I will
not benefit from Kabaka. Simple. You talk yes or no.
Okay, Enya, listen. I'm not for benefit from Kabaka. You walk. Kabaka, yes.
Give me moderator, so I go feel mute person. Give me moderator, so I go mute anybody when they interrupt you.
Yes. So Kabaka, the only relationship I get with Kabaka, there you go straight. Me and Kabaka, we play gamble together, gamble.
Hey.
Let me talk. You let me talk. Ask Tony, if I lie, me I die by accident.
Jesus
Kabaka, let me talk now. We play gamble together for 500 naira.
I don't know. You not play for.
Let me talk.
Brother, listen.
Hold on.
You see your life, you are not the enemy of the enemy. The IPOB Igbos on Yamiri, who were bankrolling you, giving you money, to be insulting your father, to be throwing stones, to be attacking your own tribe. Sometimes you come and amiibo. You are now advising Abat. You must have a date with our ancestors, you know. Abat own is full. The both of you are foolish. But you are not you don't have that right to be coming talking to Abat. You know the reason why you hate Abat. You know the reason why you hate Abat. You know the reason. The both you said he was attacking. You did worst. Abat were trying to rubbish his father, not the throne in Benin. He was rubbishing himself, his family. You can't rubbish the throne in Benin. You have tried so many methods. You will come out sometimes. You will say your father died. You will say your papa died. You know your propaganda now. I don't want to play that kind of video here. You have the guts. In Benin, we don't say. I think what's up when here? I see where I know. Now you where? Oh, I said it kata what you did. I said it tell for. Oh, I said it. I will not fit say you monkey. I have a way in. You are asking about. Leave about. You are worst. Thank you and God bless.